Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to use hatch tool. For example, I will draw rectangle. You can type a rectangle, press enter, and I will create in it. Now, if you want to insert patterns, we can use hatch tools. Type hatch, press enter, and then it will be automatically show for the patterns with ANSI 31. And if you want to change the pattern, you can click at this drop down menu. Like I will set into ANSI 36, and this is for 36. And the other, you also can scroll down to set your patterns. Like I will set into dash. This is for dash. And to change scale, you can click at this drop down. You can set like to 2, and the scale will be changed into 2. And this is for the angles. I will set into 45 degree. The angle 45 degree. If you don't, you can click and then close hatch creation. So it will be automatically insert patterns in this rectangle with hatch tools. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial, how to use hatch tools. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.